Alright, hello boys and girls. Today we're doing 12-3, which is adding and subtracting decimals. Now this is going to be our lesson for the next couple of days. Today we're actually modeling addition and subtraction by using these grids here. But I'm going to show you both ways to do this. Okay, I'm going to do number 1 and I'll do number 3 for you. So if we look at number 1, it says we're going to start with 12 100ths and we're going to add 56 100ths. So what they did here, and if you brought home your grids, you can use your grids to answer these, or you can do it the second way I'm going to show you. But they took 12 100ths, which consists of one group of 10 and two 100ths. Okay, and then they added 56 100ths. So the way they did that is they started here, and you could either count out 56 of these 100ths, or you can just go all the way down and make one group of 10. We know it's a group of 10 because this one started here, this one ended here. So we have at least 10. So there's one group of 10, there's two groups of 10, there's, I missed that one. There's three groups of 10, four groups of 10, and five groups of 10. And then we have 6 100ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they added them up this way, and then we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6/10. Make sure you put your decimal there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 100ths. So 12/10 plus 56/10 equals 68 100ths. Now, some of you might find that easy, some of you might find that confusing. So I'm going to show you the other way that we do these problems. And again, we're going to be working on these for the next couple days. So first of all, you have to write them out. So 12/10 plus 56 100ths. Now you have to be very careful when you write them out. You have to put the decimals right on top of each other. We have to have the tenths place right above each other. We have to have the hundredths place right on top of each other. If you don't write it correctly, you will get the wrong answer, I promise you. Okay? So now it's just simple. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. We bring those decimals down and we get 68 100ths. Now to me, this is the easy way to do it. This is kind of confusing, but I'm teaching it to you because some kids actually understand this way. So subtracting, it's the same type of thing. We start out with 27 100ths, so they drew out 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27 100ths, and then they simply just went and crossed out 9 100ths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 100ths. And what does that leave us? Leaves us one group of 10th and 8 100ths. So one group of 10, 8 100ths. We put that decimal. Now again, if you want to do it the other way, you're going to go ahead and write out 27 100ths, and then you're going to write out 9 100ths. Again, you've got to be very cautious that you're putting that decimal in the right spot. Okay, if you don't, you're going to get it wrong. The decimal has to be right on top of each other. So then we go ahead and subtract. Now again, don't get confused here. When we subtract, we always subtract down. Okay, so we have to start at the 7 and subtract 9. But since we cannot do that, we will have to borrow. That 2 will become a 1, and that 7 becomes a 17. So 17 minus 9 equals 8, and 1 minus nothing is 1. We bring our decimals down. Boom, we got it. Okay, one more. 86 100ths. If you want to write it out this way and just take this 54 100ths and just write it underneath, that would work. Or if you brought your grids home, you can do it that way. But we're just adding it up. 6 plus 4 is 10. I carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now here you have to be careful. We put the 4, we carry the 1. Make sure you bring that decimal down, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer here is 1 and 4/10. You can put that 0 there if you want to, but be cautious with the decimal. Good luck.